guys, welcome back again to the channel. A lot has been going on in US. The flood, the earthquake. Oh my goodness, this is so massive. I hope you guys are doing good. Those of you who is living in Texas, living in US, are you guys doing good? I really want to know, are you safe? God, this is just massive. Let me know what you think about this in comment section. In your area, hope you're safe wherever you live. Like right now, hope the environment is safe. Hope you are not being affected with this sudden flood and the earthquake. My goodness, let me know what you think about it right there in the comment section. I'll be waiting to see your comments. Thank you for watching. And again, I love when people, voted for Trump to also deport his wife, since you have to start from your own house before expanding it to other persons. You knowing that your wife is not born in US and you have the guts to say that you are deporting the immigrants, you have to start from your own home first. I think this is nice. You felt the same way the other persons felt too. So why deporting? You have to think about this properly, because other persons have a lot of reason why they left their country. So for me, I think it's not a good idea. Donald Trump have to look into this matter and sort out the solution. Okay, so guys, let me know what you think about this amazing news. And if it's the first time coming across my YouTube channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you again in my next episode. Thank you for watching.
You have to pay to enter the United States.
The U.S. government is pushing forward with a new proposal. In the future, visitors from certain countries will be required to pay a visa deposit of up to $15,000. This money is not a visa fee, but a security deposit. The purpose of this plan is to prevent visitors from overstaying their visas. The list of affected countries has not yet been fully disclosed, but White House officials have indicated that the target is high-risk countries. According to the information currently available, the deposit will be refunded after the visitor departs legally, but will be forfeited if regulations are violated. In other words, you must use money to prove you will leave. Many immigrant organizations have raised objections, arguing the policy may create unfair barriers for middle and low-income countries. The Trump administration has responded that the U.S. has the right to decide who can enter and under what conditions.
Breaking news. Texas is sinking and the worst is yet to come. The water has swallowed everything. And according to meteorologists, the most destructive phase hasn't even started. Texas is facing the worst flood in its modern history, but the next 48 hours could be even more catastrophic. Cities like Austin, San Antonio, and Houston are completely submerged. Entire neighborhoods are gone. Sirens blare nonstop. Families climb onto rooftops with children in their arms begging for help. Officials confirm this flood has already broken every record. Schools, hospitals, and highways have been destroyed. Videos show cars being swept away like paper and homes collapsing in seconds. Drones captured images of children being pulled to safety by volunteers using ropes. In some areas, the water has reached the second floor of buildings. And the scariest part, another massive storm is closing in fast. Dams are at the brink. The ground can't absorb any more water, and helicopters are struggling to land. The National Guard is evacuating entire communities, while thousands of people sleep in emergency shelters without electricity, clean water, or any idea if they'll have a home to return to. Authorities are asking for calm, but desperation grows by the hour. Comment part 2 to see real footage recorded by Texas residents.